Assalamu alaikum. This is Talimul Islam. Welcome back to our English Vision. Today we are practicing our outdoor session with our junior team. Junior team দের সাথে আমরা এখন স্পোকেন ইংলিশের আউটডোর প্র্যাকটিস করতেছি। সো এট ফার্স্ট টাইম কোয়েশ্চেনিং আমি সর্বপ্রথম প্রশ্ন করতেছি। সো হোয়াটস ইউর নেম?
My name is Wadi Hafsa Relida.
Okay, mashallah. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Muhammad Nurul Afsar.
Mashallah. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Rashida Begum.
Okay, mashallah. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Okay, mashallah. Which class do you read in?
I study in class 1.
Oh, mashallah. What is the name of your school?
My school's name Nexus Knowledge Academy.
Oh, mashallah. Where do you live in?
I live in Thankaligunafara.
Okay, mashallah. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Oh, mashallah. What is your favorite food?
Orange.
Orange. Oh, mashallah. Orange your favorite food. Okay. What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
Oh, mashallah, football. Who is your best friend?
My best friend Raisa.
Raisa. Okay. Do you like English?
Yes.
Okay, mashallah. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is Bangla.
Bangla. Okay, mashallah. Thank you very much.